everyone, my name is Simrit and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this bracelet for Mother's Day. So let's begin. First, I'm going to take some plastic, which is 8 by 1.2 centimeters. And along with that, choose 2 colors of string. The color for the letters, which for me is pink. You're going to cut 3 strings of that color, which are each 10.5 inches long. And for your second color, just keep it as is. So now taking off my background color to the side, what you're going to do is take your 3 strings, which are going to be the letters, and fold them in half. Then lay them on top of the plastic. Then I'm going to take some tape, and leaving a little loop on one end, just tape the strings onto the plastic. Also try to keep your strings as close together as possible so there are no gaps. Then take your background color again. Taking the end of your background color, what you're going to do is flip this over. And on the back side, tape your string down. Then turning this over, what you're going to do is take your string as close to the end as possible and then wrap your string around. And then once you've gone around 10 times, what you're going to do is take the group of strings and take the second string from the top along with the second string from the bottom. And then you're just going to go around again, do 2 loops. Once you've done that, take the remaining 4 strings and fold them over to the left side as well. Then make 2 more rounds with your background string. Once you have done that, take those 4 strings which you just folded over and bring them back into the center. Wrap your background string around twice. Then after those 2 loops, take these remaining 4 strings and fold them over once again. Take 2 more loops around and then finally fold those 4 strings back and go around with your background color 4 more times. And then going back to the 2 strings that we folded over in the start, now you can bring them back. So keep those strings in the exact same position that they were in before. Make 2 more loops with your background string. And just like that, we've made the number sign. Now to start the 1, what you're going to do is take the 3rd string from the top and fold this over to the left. And then along with that, take the string on the bottom and then wrap the background string around twice. Take the string on the top that you folded over and bring it back. And then take the next string, which is the second one from the top, and fold that one over. Then make 2 more loops with your background color. After that, take all of your strings and fold them all over and wrap it around twice. And then other than your bottom string, bring all the other strings back. Then make 2 more loops. Bring your final string over, go around twice, and just like that, you've completed the 1. Next, just go around 11 times with your background string. Take all 6 of your strings and fold them over to the left and go around twice with your background color. And then leaving the top 2 strings, take the remaining 4 and fold them over. Go around twice again. Then bring in the remaining 2 strings. Next, take the center 2 strings, fold them over to the left, and then make 2 more rounds. And then fold your strings back. Then you're going to do the exact same thing, except it's going to appear in a mirror image. So take your first 2 strings, fold them over, and then go around twice. Then take the remaining 4 strings, fold those over 2, and then make 2 more loops. And then finally, to complete this letter M, bring those 6 strings back and make 2 final rounds with your background color. And that's how you're gonna make this M. Next, we're going to make an O, which is really simple. Just take all your strings over, go around twice, and then bring your 2 center strings and fold them to the right. Except this time, instead of going around twice, we're gonna go around 3 times. Fold the remaining strings back, and go over all the strings twice. Then to complete the mom, make the M in the same way we did the first one. And there you have it. Then to finish this off, take your background color string and just continue going around till you reach the end of the plastic. So this is what it should look like now. Then what you're going to do next is cut off the extra string. As you can see, if I leave it like this, all the rounds we made will come undone. Next, I'm going to take some liquid glue and just put some on the end of the string. And then press the glue down. And then once you do that, simply wait for it to dry. Also take the first 3 strings and tie an overhand knot. And then just cut off the ends of the string. So this is what it looks like now. And if you want to know how to make this friendship bracelet, I have a video showing you how to make it on my channel, so make sure to go watch it. And that is all for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to make this bracelet. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!